Hi, in this demo video of Form Titan, we will concentrate on value rules. Value rules allow you to validate the data entered in a field. For example, let's bring in text box, and let's say that for this text box I want the minimum length to be 3 and the maximum length between 5. So they can only enter between 3 and 5 characters, nothing less, nothing more. So what I'll do is I'll go to the text box, settings, value rules, set value rules, and here we've got quite a few functions. One of them is the minimum length, and I'll say minimum length is 3 and the maximum length is 5, and we can provide a custom error, something like that, and that's done. That's all you have to do to test the value or validate the value in the text box. So let's see it in action. If I submit, it's empty. Obviously it's not going to work because it's not between 3 and 5 characters. Put 3, it's good. Put 6, no good. And 5 or 4 are fine. That's how easy it is to validate fields. Now, what we also provide is not just the ability for static functions. We have what we call a regular expression, for example. If you're not familiar with regular expressions, they are quite powerful string manipulation or string examination technique to check for patterns of strings. For example, email validation. I know we've got an email field, but let's just see it in action for a normal text box. So I'll say email only, please. And here is a regular expression. You just need to Google for these things. It's quite easy. Search for once for JavaScript because that's what we use, and you copy the regular expression and let's put it in here, and now this field will validate that we are populating an email address. Let's see if I refresh the page. I can put 1 2 3 4, obviously email address only. I can say a@b.com, that's fine. If I put 1, there you go, and so on and so forth. So you have quite a few ways of validating quite a few things with regular expressions. It is really powerful. What we also provide is address validation. So if you want to capture an address and you want to do a Google validation of the address, you can do that as well. So for example, you can validate an address in the whole world or maybe just in Great Britain. So I'll put GB and I'll put postcode in. So let's refresh the page, and let's first put something like EC2A3BB, and you can see it's fine, it's found it. Now I can also put in an invalid postcode, and now it's a invalid value. So this is how you can even validate addresses using value rules. Thank you for your time.